Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Sunday. It is day 41 of our Quarantine Gardeners video series, and we cannot believe that we've made 41 videos at this point.
Yep. We were walking around our front yard and we saw a really good example of some mature plants, and we wanted to show you what that looks like in an established mature garden and then what you can do if you need to do anything at all.
You guys might remember we've mentioned we inherited a very well-established garden. It's actually my grandparents' house, and we've done our best to care for it. There are a lot of plants that we don't actually know exactly what they are.
So behind us here is a spirea and a rhododendron. They're growing into each other. And we noticed this the other day because the rhododendron is in full bloom. It looks beautiful.
It's gorgeous, but you can't see it because this is a beautiful plant as well, which is also starting to bloom. But it's too big.
Yep. So we ran across this. We want to show you what this looks like. So if you see this, you'll know what to do in your yard. So here's that spirea we were showing you just now. And then on to the side of the right here, here's this beautiful rhododendron. And if you look back, you can see this spirea and the rhododendron are growing together. And what happens is in these old mature landscapes is a lot of times people didn't put into consideration before planting what the mature size of these plants were going to be. And you can see this is a really good example of that.
So our goal is to uncover this beautiful rhodie so we can enjoy its blooms while they last, but also take better care of the spirea by kind of pruning it back and up. So right now, Sean is making some heading cuts to kind of shape it up and also to retrain it. We want it to stay in this current form, in this location, maybe grow a little bit higher to kind of add to that privacy.
So a tip for you guys is when you're going through and pruning any plant, but let alone a plant with long stems or canes, you can orient all the cut material with the cut piece going one direction, usually the direction you're going to haul it or drag it. And you can see I've got all the cut pieces right here in front of me, and then the mass of all these is behind me. A good pro tip is to do it this way, and then all you got to do is grab the cut ends, and you can literally drag them with you to wherever you need them to go. And so that's what I've done here. So next time you're out cutting any plants and you've got larger limbs or anything like this with long stems or canes, orient them this way, and it'll really help you clean up a lot faster and safer.
All right, you guys, we're standing in front of our newly shaped and pruned up spirea. It's a little shorter than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I wanted to give some space for the rhodie to grow into, so I took off a little more than what was thought was gonna be taken off, but it'll regrow.
But it'll be regrown. It'll be a lot healthier and it'll
look better.
It'll look better.
So we hope that was helpful, and if you have any comments or questions, make sure to put them down below. Give us that thumbs up and let us know if we did a good job or not, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
We'll be back tomorrow on Monday with another new project, and so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for being here and watching this, and we will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Have a good day, you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.